Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about what are pointer in C++. In the previous video, we discussed about what are break and continue statement in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, we discuss about what is pointers in C++. Basically, pointer is the data type which holds the address of other data type. Basically, pointer is a data type which is used to hold the address of other data type. Let's do some example to master pointer in C++. Create a folder in your suitable place and right click on it and click on open with code. It will redirect you to Visual Studio Code. If you have not watched the video getting started C++ installing VS Code and G++, do watch the video, because if you will not watch the video, you won't be able to run C++ program. Create a new file tut14.cpp. Type header file has include iostream using namespace std int main function return 0. First of all, declare a variable int a is equals to 10, and we are talking about pointer. Most of the students think that pointer is very difficult, but it is not difficult. Now type int star b is equals to and a semicolon. This is the address of a. First of all, we discuss about address of operator. Basically, address of operator is used when you have to print the address of variable. Cout the address of operator a is. If you will type and a and a semicolon, Control D to replicate the code, and if you will type B here, then the meaning is same. Now run the program. You can see that the address of operator A is this and the address of operator A is this. In your case, this value is not same because it depends on the operating system. Now discuss about value at operator. Basically, value at operator is used to print the value of pointer. Cout the value at operator A is star b semicolon. Now run the program. So you can see that the value at operator a is 10. The value of a is printed in the terminal with the help of pointer. If you don't understand the program, watch the video again to clear all your doubts. In this video, we discuss about what are pointer in C++, how to declare and initialize the pointer, address of operator and value at operator. This video is all about pointer. I hope you understand the pointer. I will give the link of this source code in the description box, and if you have any doubt, you can comment on this video. I will solve your doubt. You can also join my Telegram coding discussion channel to solve your doubt. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram. All the link is given in the description box. Still you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.